got some bad news. It's not you, it's me. No, wait, actually it is you. And your performance... Such a disappointment. I mean, you only ever want to do it one way. Every time I'm sitting on you, those sounds you make. God! So annoying. Look, it's clear you can't satisfy me. So I think we should start seeing other people.
Let's face it, even though you don't realize it, most of us are in unhealthy relationships with our chairs. They have limited adjustability and they only let you sit one way. But all of that is about to change. Say hello to BeYou. The transforming chair that lets you sit in any position. That feels great to BeYou. And with so many of us working remotely, it's perfect for your home or office setup. Think about it. You can spend up to 10 hours per day sitting. That's like 60% of your entire waking life. Science proves when you increase your level of comfort, you automatically skyrocket your level of focus and productivity, as you can clearly see here. Your body will naturally find its comfort zones, so you can enjoy the benefits of movement even when you're sitting. Now, let's talk quality. Cue montage. Beautifully finished veneer wood craftsmanship. Super strong quick-release hinges that can withstand up to 400 pounds of pressure. Soft yet durable fabric that will stand the test of time. Double layer foam for a firm yet comfortable contact. And heavy-duty wheels that will keep you rolling for years to come. So no matter your body type, your favorite position, or how long you spend sitting, get your BeYou chair. And spend the next decade sitting any way that feels great. Great to BeYou.
Oh my god, I love you. Let's move in together. These positions drive me wild. Never, ever, ever leave me.
I thought we made BeYou to stop people from having unhealthy relationships with their chairs. Guess not.